Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be talking about journaling your trades. Okay, so first of all, we're going to be talking about um, how to journal your trades and also why it's important. Okay, so um, you can journal your trades on on several ways. All right, so first of all, what we've been doing for quite a long time is we use a spreadsheet. Okay, with all this information like your date, the pair, the position you took, what zone it was, if it was a 4 hour or weekly, scalp swing, whatever. And then we place the image of the moment we enter or exit the trade. Okay, and then we also have some notes that we can add. Okay, this is more like the visual stuff, technical stuff, what we did wrong, if we did everything correctly, how it worked out, and all that stuff with some visual images and all that. Okay, so but if you want something more analytic as well, because you need analytics as well to see how much money you made or lost, and my Facebook is obviously the way to go. This is basically just connected with your trading account, and it couldn't be more precise. Okay, this literally calculates every cent that goes in or out of your trading account, which is basically your business. Okay, you need to see this as your business. So a loss, for example, would be a business account, and when you have a win, that would basically be like a sale that you make for your business, or income or salary, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so you need to know how much you're willing to lose, because that's the only thing we can control in trading. Okay, we can only control how much we're willing to lose. So you need to have your daily, your weekly, and your monthly loss limits. So you control how much your business is losing. Okay, because we can't control how much our business is winning. So that being said, this is definitely a good way to um, work, okay, with the spreadsheet and with my FX book. This is for the money stuff, and every cent is going to be counted and everything is going to be precise. And it couldn't be better. And then this is more for the visual stuff. But if you want something more advanced, then Edgewonk is definitely the best one out there. It's not free; it's like paid. It's not super cheap, but it's definitely worth it, if you want to take your trading seriously, because there is basically all in one, where you can like connect it with your trading account, and then you can add like images, I think even videos and stuff to every single trade. So it's super, super professional. Like it couldn't get better. So this is definitely the way to go if you want something more serious. And if you don't want to spend the money, then just work like that for a while with the spreadsheet and with my FX book. It's definitely a good way as well. This is just a little more advanced, more the good way to go if you want to take things very seriously and professional. So this is basically it for journaling, guys. There's not much more to tell. Just journal everything as precise as possible, because there you really see what you did wrong, what you did good, and this is basically those are the lessons. Okay, with the journals, you're going to see everything. So this is the best way to improve your trading, to learn from your own lessons. Okay, so hope you like this video. If you have any more questions about journaling, on how to do it properly and all that stuff, just let us know in the comments down below, or send us a message on Instagram, and we'll be more than glad to help you out. Okay, so hope you liked it, and we'll see you in the next one.